Delivery mileage Defender 110 commercial. This is a D350 X-Dynamic HSE. It's done 12 miles from new, 26 registration, VAT qualifying. It's then been fully exterior styled, but very, very well. Wide arches, upgraded 22s, Canards, black pack, pod lights. It's got that look that everybody wants, but more importantly, it's the highest powered diesel engine, the top specification with then factory options including air suspension, cold climate pack, deployable Towbar, but it has only done 12 miles from new. The upgraded DRLs, the Canards are all part of that exterior styling, and again the wider arches give it that nice aggressive look. And the reason that we sell so many of these Defenders is because they probably are the #1 tax efficient way of buying a commercial vehicle, because you get to drive something like this, which looks fantastic, drives great as well, especially that D350, but then you get all the tax benefits of a commercial. Upgraded 22-inch wheels finished in gloss black. Air suspension does a couple of things, has a couple of benefits. The first one is the style, but the second and main one is the drive. So if you are someone who is looking to tow, it will also be another benefit. The 110 obviously gives you that longer wheelbase, so then in turn gives you more storage space. You've then got your storage compartments as well, but with this car having done 12 miles, it is absolutely brand new. So you've got your different compartments in there should you need to store maybe something that's different for work, or it might even be that you're going to use this vehicle on a weekend. You might go camping, fishing, caravanning, whatever it might be. Your air suspension and deployable Towbar go hand in hand with that D350 engine. So if you've ever towed before, you'll understand how much of a lifesaver the deployable Towbar is. It takes seconds to come out, and if you are looking at maybe getting one fitted aftermarket, they're £3,500 from Land Rover, so it's a lot of money. This one already has it. Air suspension, you can then control from the rear and from the front, depending on what it is that you're doing. And then obviously you've got that D350 power as well, so the highest powered diesel engine. So if you are looking to tow whatever it may be, you could even tow plant in this and you do it very, very easily. Interior wise, X-Dynamic HSE, and then the 26 model year looks after everything, but then they've also opted for dark cross beam, so that removes any of the lighter plastics that you would have had across the steering wheel and the dash. They're removed and they're all put to a stealth black. But then with the HSE, you literally get everything you can want in a car, never mind a commercial. Heated wheel, adaptive cruise, heated seats and cooled seats. You've also got 360 cameras. There'll be a towing specific mode as well, with it being a factory deployable Towbar. There we go, so you press the towing button, it'll come up on there. You've got an off-road mode as well. But it's absolutely brand new. This wireless charger was a new introduction on the 26 model year, and then so was the larger media screen as well, but it has literally done 12 miles. You'll have the remaining manufacturer's warranty well into 2029, roadside assistance, everything else that comes with buying a new car. But one thing you can't get from a Land Rover dealership is one that looks like this. So you'll have to wait 6 to 12 months to physically get the car, then you'll have to go out of your way to try and get a kit like this put together, and then even still, you probably won't see it for further than the 12-month mark that you've been offered. So if you are looking for a commercial Defender, you want the best, which is the D350 X-Dynamic HSE, then this is your opportunity to get your hands on one. Any questions about how you would buy it? You might have a part exchange, you might just want to pay for it outright and come and collect it tomorrow. You can do all of those, but contact me on my mobile number. It's on the video and it's also in the description as well, and I look forward to speaking to you.